Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is the fourth edition of this, putting these dots, these quarter-inch dots around this pegboard or like a racetrack. And the inventor of this macro sent me an email after watching it and gave me a few more pointers. And I knew this would probably work. And one, you don't even have to have the circle because we've told it to draw it at a quarter inch. We want half-inch spacing. But if you will select all of them, all of the curves, and delete the source curve when you create the circles, it's going to take just a second because it's having to do a lot of calculations for the 13. But what it's doing is putting the dots around or the holes, and then going to delete the lines. There's a lot going on, but it's done. And now you can see that the dots are perfectly spaced out. Let's even measure one and just see how close we are. Go from the center to the center, and we're 0.49. And like I said last night in the video, it can't be perfect because they're different distances. But if you can see, they're really close to a half inch. And let's get another one that's 50. There we go. So they're really done, but what it did, it got rid of the lines or got rid of the curves. So if you would, let me back up here and take these marks away. Then if you would select all those, I would suggest turning them into red and make sure they're a hairline, and then those would cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.